Ready.
Ready? We're rolling?
Rolling.
Rolling. All right. This is your Bing card. Same card that's on the car. Your throttle. You guys remember when we did Carburetor 101 with Chuck?
Yes.
Remember how he was talking about some carburetors where they're just like a big old bar basically for a throttle body?
That one.
It's like this. Very simple. It's like a cylinder. Maybe if this wants to open up. There we go. Woo! Here we go. Boing. So your cable, your throttle cable, will go through here and down. It's like a throttle return spring. It hooks on there inside. It goes through and hooks. So this goes up and down. That opens up your throttle. Your choke is actuated over here, which is actually like an air bleed. It's more like an idle air, like say a EFI car with an idle air control solenoid. Your choke acts on these like that by letting more air in or out. So, and your throttle is also your needle and seat for your fuel bowl. Your seat's down here, comes in through the bowl here, and then it draws it through. I did a whole fairly in-depth video 4 years ago on this same carb when we were fighting that Izetta. Good eye, Grant. That's why you make the big bucks. My big bucks means he just comes over and drinks beer. Make sure I don't die. Saturday made sure I didn't die.
We did a wellness check with him.
Yeah. Yeah, because I kind of had a jack stand kind of did one of these. It bent.
Yeah, and when you get a picture of that,
Yeah.
with no explanation. you're
Yeah,
ready to
we
jump
were
in the
like,
car.
what's going on? Are you okay?
Yeah, but if he took a picture of these, obviously.
No, I can still see him taking a picture of the paramedics working over him.
Hold on, I gotta put this on the Facebook.
Gotta pose.
Okay, and this is what fought me last time because it needs like 7 hands. But you get your spring.
It's like arm wrestling an octopus.
Yes. Okay, so boing boing goes back in there. Choke's over there. That is also an air bleed. It acts like an enrichment jet. Float, which we had apart before. Very simple. We'll do like Chuck. Take one down, pass it around. 99 carburetors on the wall. And there's carburetor pieces.
So this doesn't have any of those parts like that get deteriorated by the unleaded gas.
Not much. It will stick afloat, and it will flood, and the needle and seat will not all the way close.
That's just one varnish that's up on it.
Yeah.
Is this a constant velocity? Because some of them that look like this whole piece floats up and down, like my 82 R100.
That cylinder in there runs off your foot. That's what your foot actuates. Yeah. Well, this is different.
These are similar to an SUV.
Very similar to an SUV. Yes.
They're itty bitty.
They're teeny.
That's all you need.
Yeah, it's in a dirt bike.
It's a beautiful gas.
It's an itsy bitsy teeny weeny little bingy carburetor.
Shingadera.
Shingadera.
Oh, I remember this one. This is bringing back horrible flashbacks. Remember when this thing snapped on me, Ellen? Remember?
Oh yes, I do.
Yeah. And that's
Yeah.
the first time.
Isn't it
Allie
nice?
heard me swear a bunch.
When they give you all the parts back, and they're like, well, this is where it went wrong. Oops.
And you were like, yeah, we know. That's why
Yeah.
we sent it to you.
Exactly.
Ooh, I was like, enough.
Yeah, that piece right there.
The super sources? Is that it? Put a turbo on it?
Oh my
You
goodness,
can put
Peter.
a turbo on anything if you get frisky. How wild do you want to be, Peter?
You don't get it on the freeway.
I would be terrified.
I would not.
Yeah, with the cross brace, this thing would get a little.
A
Yeah.
small breeze and you'd be like flying.
For God's sake, don't sneeze.
Yeah,
All right.
they're two real
You drive it on the road.
I do. I drive it on the road, but